We're here at the Marketplace event, which is part of our Elevate programme. It's about creating a community for our startup businesses and growing businesses within Oxfordshire.
Basically, I want to start a company, and I'm here to find someone that can help me.
It's been amazing sharing my business with other people, but also learning new stuff.
The Elevate programme is a set of free activities which we offer to our startup and growing businesses, and within that people can go on workshops, they can have one-to-one support through our network navigators, and they can apply for grants.
I've been on the networking course, which I found really helpful, just looking at what networking groups there are around that might be suitable for my business.
I attended some free workshops, and that content I can now use to, move forward in terms of our next steps.
I had a one-to-one, which was incredible. So this literally took my business, analysed it, showed me how to go forward.
Oxfordshire is a great place to start a business and to grow it. There's lots of support available, and if you choose to engage in that support, then the world is your oyster.
You get into a routine and a way of doing things, and it's worth challenging yourself to step out of that.
You should always be looking for ways to advance your knowledge and your skill base, and OxLEP enables us to do that.
People should be much more aware that they're available to help small businesses and large businesses.
This is a great event, and I hope that they do more.
Come along and see what we've got to offer. There's some exciting things coming down the line, and this event is one of those new activities.